name is Mouse. And guys, don't forget to watch me unboxing Disney Frozen 2 from Hasbro. Before we start it, I'm gonna show you how many characters they have. They have Elsa, Anna, Ryder, Honeymare, and the guard. I don't remember what the guard's name. So this one is Elsa's, Anna's mom, and this one is Kristoff, and this one is Anna, Elsa, Anna, Olaf. But I wish I got this Elsa. I wish I got this blue Elsa, blue shirt. I'm gonna open it. Ooh, it's easy. Let's open it. Oh my god. I like these sleeves. I'm gonna keep it forever and ever. So I'm gonna guess what's the character. I got Honeymare. This feet is squishy. Bling, bling, bling. La, 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 la. See this character? I guess it's alright. It's also my favorite. I got Honeymare, and it's super cute. See? And thanks for watching. Make sure you give me a huge thumbs up. Click the subscribe button. Turn the location. Give me a huge thumbs up. Bye guys. See you later. Bye.